What's up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your skin in Minecraft. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, this is my skin here. Nice pink man. Very cool, very nice. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that just so you know what my original skin was. Yours will most likely be Steve if you haven't changed it already, or Alex, one of the two defaults. So anyway, let's log out of Minecraft. Alright, so after that's closed, open up a browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome, so I'm going to open up that. There we go, it's over here. You just want to go to minecraftskins.com. The link will be in the description if you don't want to search it up, and it will take you to the Skindex. This is like the official website where everyone exchanges their Minecraft skins. So you can search up whatever you like from here up the top. Alright, found the skin, I like it, very nice. So I'm going to download it by clicking over here. Clicking the download button, and it's going to download a PNG, which is going to look like this. I'll open it up just for you. Alright, so it looks like that, but this is zoomed in 500%. So no need for that really. So you can exit out of the skin website once you got the one you wanted. Grab the skin, or at least locate it, and then just put it wherever you want to put it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. So once you got the skin, just go back onto the launcher. And now we can go over to the skins tab up the top here. Alright, so I'll show you your current skin here. There's the pink man, and then there's Alex and Steve, the two defaults. So to add a new one, just click on new skin. I'm just going to name mine what it is. And then you want to click browse, locate the skin. Since I put it on my desktop, make this easy. So click that and then click open. And there we go, there's the skin. So you can either choose slim or classic. Save and use, or you can just save the skin for later. I'm going to press save and use, and boom, there we go. So if this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave in the comments below what other Minecraft tutorials you would like to see on this channel, and that is it from me. Peace out.